Welcome back to Diamond Drive. Today, we take a closer look at one of the most refined and technologically advanced luxury sedans of the decade, the 2026 E-Class. Mercedes has elevated comfort, elegance, and innovation to a whole new level with this latest generation. From the outside, the 2026 E-Class carries a sleek and modern design language, with smoother lines, a confident front grille, and signature LED lighting that gives it a bold yet sophisticated presence. Every detail reflects precision and luxury. Under the hood, the new E-Class offers advanced powertrains designed for smooth, efficient, and responsive performance. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing it on the open highway, the driving feel is refined, quiet, and effortlessly powerful. Inside is where the E-Class truly shines. Step into a world of luxury featuring premium materials, ambient lighting, and a breathtaking digital dashboard. The latest MBUX system, larger displays, and intuitive controls make the cabin more intelligent and connected than ever before. Comfort is unmatched thanks to plush seating, advanced suspension technology, and noise reduction engineering that creates a serene driving experience. With cutting-edge safety systems and class-leading driver assistance features, the 2026 E-Class sets a new benchmark for executive sedans. With its elegant design, modern tech, and signature Mercedes comfort, the 2026 E-Class continues to be a leader in luxury innovation. Thanks for watching Diamond Drive. Stay tuned for more premium automotive content.